Manipur government has extended suspension of mobile internet and data services including BPN in Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kukching and Bishnupur districts for another 2 days from 2 p.m. of April 16. The order issued by Home Department stated that the decision was taken in view of the prevailing volatile law and order situation and risk of spread of misinformation and rumors through social media platforms, which could trigger unrest and violence. Authorities expressed concern over misuse of mobile data services for mobilizing mobs and damaging public and private property, adding that effective regulatory mechanisms are still not technically feasible. The order has been enforced under temporary suspension of Telecommunication Services Rules 2024 and warned that any violation will invite legal actions.